Holy Mary, Mother of God, Saint Michael, Saint John the Baptist, Saint Joseph, Saint Peter and Saint Paul, Saint Andrew, Saint John, Saint Mark, Saint Mary Magdalene, Saint Stephen, Saint Ignatius of Antioch, Saint Lawrence, Saint Thomas Becket, Saint Thomas More, Saint John Fisher, Saint Edmund Campion, Saint John Ogilvie, Saint Oliver Plunkett, Saint Maximilian Kolbe, Saint Perpetua and Saint Felicity, Saint Agnes, Saint Gregory, Saint Martin, Saint Jerome, Saint Augustine, Saint Athanasius, Saint Basil, Saint Martin, Saint Patrick, Saint Mungo, Saint Cyril and Methodius, Saint Charles Borromeo, Saint John the 23rd, Saint Oscar Romero, Saint Paul the Sixth, Saint John Paul the Second, Saint Benedict, Saint Leonard, Saint Columbkill, Saint Fiacre, Saint Bernard of Clairvaux, Saint Francis and Saint Dominic, Saint Anthony, Saint Thomas Aquinas, Saint Ignatius of Loyola, Saint Francis Xavier, Saint John of the Cross, Saint Vincent de Paul, Saint John Vianney, Saint John Bosco, Saint Pio of Petrelcina, Saint Jose Maria Escriva, Saint Catherine of Siena, Saint Teresa of Jesus, Saint Therese of Lisieux, Saint Teresa Benedict of the Cross, Saint Josephine Bakita, Saint Teresa of Calcutta, Saint Thenog, Saint Margaret of Scotland, Saint David of Scotland, Saint John Henry Newman, Venerable Margaret Sinclair,